Alright guys, so welcome to day 2 of Roblox Studio. Yeah, yesterday got some warning for this this stupid game. But anyways, uh if that continues then I'll probably get a second warning today, but sure. So once again I don't have my mouse because I'm a noob. Wait, actually I'll just go get my mouse first actually. Alright, so I got my mouse here, and today I think we're going to be doing the scoring points thing. Like the points. So basically, what happens is when the character is in the game, then they just score points for surviving, and then once they die, they just lose them. So it's like this easy point system, or just like by their how many times they died. So like each time they died, they earn 1 point, or like something like that. So yeah, to begin with, let's just get rid of the smoke because that's kind of annoying. So yeah, let's just get rid of that. Turn the size to like 1. Like all the smoke to 1. So yeah, let's get that done. And also the one on lava. Alright, so that should clear everything up. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so let's go through the points thing. Let's go over here to the players. Alright, so points getting started. So in previous courses you made a variety of game features including creating platforms out of lava. Now we're gonna course ties these together to make a playable game where players see who can stay alive the longest. Every second they stay alive, a point will be added to their score. Okay, that's really interesting. So setting up, you'll need to set the scene for your game. Duplicate the flaying platforms. I probably won't duplicate the platforms. Actually, I'll probably instead just make more of these jumps. So like or I can make the spawn point like fade away. That'll make this interesting. If I can make the spawn point fade, then the player is gonna rage quit. So alright, so let's make the spawn point like a little smaller, so they'll just have to jump whenever they spawn into the game. So let's do this. So let's make this thing shorter so that they have a chance of surviving. So basically, the players will have to keep on jumping around if they want to survive, and actually gain the points. So let's just turn this around. So I think that should be doable. And I also make this part also fade away. So basically, we'll have the copy the same code and just add it here. I'll just add this thing in here and do the same thing and add this thing in here. Well, no, not in lava. Just the 2 points. Oh wait, no, we add in spawn location. Yes, in spawn location, we add that in. And I think we need to change the variables. Or can let, or I can just try this out actually. Yeah, because I think these are just local variables, so they don't really go into these blocks. So I think it should be good. Let's give this a try and see if that actually works or not. And hopefully the characters don't die immediately. So apparently they do die immediately. So I have to customize the code. Alright, so once they die, they just cannot not die. So that's a big sus. Alright, so basically what we want to do is after like on the spawn point, we can go here. So after so false equals to true is touch equals so transparency. Alright, so after this, I'll probably just like wait for like I don't know 10 seconds. Wait 10, so the character can actually like sort of respawn and start playing again. So let's give this a try. Wait 10 seconds should be enough. If the game works properly. Is it? Will it work properly? Yeah, there you go. It does work properly. Just keep on feeding. Alright, so apparently that's not good enough. I probably need to add like two of these middle blocks. So let's give that a try, so that the player can consistently stay alive. So let's go and duplicate this. Will it duplicate the code? Oh hell yeah, that's nice. Alright, so that works as well. So let's move this thing over here. So it's like that. I think it's a little higher, right? Yeah, sort of a little higher. Make it like the same height. And there we go. This thing should work really well. Let's give this a try. So see if we can consistently just keep on spamming this. Okay, jump over here, jump back here again, and jump back here. It's very stressful, but I guess it works. So yeah, who cares? This game works. And yeah, okay, let's go back and see how the points do. So player points. So Roblox has a built-in leaderboard for showing player stats. When you set up players' points through the leaderboard, it'll show up on the right side of the screen in the game. Okay, so you learn to customize ways to display information later in courses, but leaderboard simplest way of making a visible scoring system. So it's best to put scripts which set up a game state into server scripts. Okay, so server script services. I think it's down here. Yeah, over here. And then I think we just add like a script. Let's add a script. And then let's call this the what do they call it? Setup points. Yeah. Okay. Setup points. Setup points. There you go. Setup points. And let's go down here. So in Roblox service is an object which performs a range of useful functions. The player's service has an event called player added. So that you can use the setup points for each player who joins the game. Alright, so but before we begin, we have to access services with the get service function and the game object. Okay, things are getting kind of complicated. Game is a variable accessible from anywhere which contains everything in your game. So creating a variable for player service using game get service. So apparently we have to copy and paste this thing. This thing over here. So local players equals to game get service players. So I think that we have to get the service players, right? Like just players. So I think this will give like all the information of the players. And then we have to add a function. So on player add. Okay, so we need to see how we can sense a player added. So local function. Let's call it just player added, right? Yeah, it's called player added. Or just player add, or just PD. I guess that works as well. Player. And right, yeah, there we go. That's the end. And then we have to add the touch thing. Colon connect. So players. Player added. Player added. Oh no, it's just PD. It's dots actually. It's dots. Dot PD colon. We need to add connect. And on player. Oh no, it's player added and then PD. Okay, there we go. So this is player. Yeah, player added colon connect and we get brackets PD. There you go. Alright, so that should work. I'm not sure why they did that. Okay, there we go. I'm not sure why the PD is still black. It shouldn't be. It should be like a variable there. So yeah, sure. I guess it still works since it's just copy paste your code. Alright, so when declaring a variable to contain a service, it's best to name it with the exact name of the service players, even though this means breaking usual naming conventions for variables. Oh, okay. I'm not sure if that really applies here. Alright, so now we got to create a stats folder. So all you do is create a new folder in the player object called leader stats and put their points in there. Now objects can be created within the script via the instance.new. Oh, okay, so instance.new, this is really important as well. So local leader stats equals instance.new folder. So once again, it's a string, which is kind of unusual for me. So yeah, folder. And then we go down. Select name property of leader stats to leader stats. Parent leader stats to player. Okay, so we just do this. Copy and paste this thing in here. So leader stats will literally just be the variable here, and then dot name equals to leader stats. So basically, this would be its name, I guess, and then dot parent will be player. So the player. So this is a variable, sort of in the player, I guess. Alright, so that's just basically the first part. So now we do the scoring points. So to add a stat which track players' points, we add a new integer value. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. So we have to create a new function, no, like a new variable within the function. So like a local point equals to instance.new again, and this time we'll have its integer value, also known as int value. So like int, yeah, that thing. And go downwards, and then we can have points dot name should be just points. Oh wait, we don't need the brackets actually. That's interesting. Yeah, we don't need the brackets. Get out of there. So there's no need for brackets. So let's make sure that there's no spaces there. Alright, so the points dot value actually. So the value of the points y equals 0. So this basically, I think just basically like the players will start with 0 points. So that's just basically how it is. And then points dot parents would be the leader stats. I don't really think we need this, but I guess it's just for later. If we need to make some minor adjustments, these two codes will be pretty useful, I guess, like the parent thing. Alright, so counting time. Each player should earn a point for each second they are alive. A while loop and wait function should be used to update the value of points every second. Oh, so now we just add the points, right? So this is outside of the function. So while true, so that's basically like forever, I guess. Wait 1, and then we add the points there. So, oh no, we actually need to find the players first. Okay, so to run code for every player in the game, you need to iterate through the array of players returned by get players function. So okay, so we get players by just doing that. So we create a new variable, local player. Do we need player list, or do I just like, yeah, it's a variable name, so PL then, I guess, simpler. So PL equals to players, and then colon over here, and then we got get players. So that's a function. I think that is for current player. So that's basically just current player. Okay, so for current player to, so current player is a command or some sort. I don't know. So yeah, that's not a name of something. That's definitely there for a reason. So we got a hashtag. I don't know why we even use hashtags here. Player list. Do interesting. Alright, so we got the hashtags, and there's something wrong with it, but it's actually just a hashtag. What is this? Like the code has a hashtag, anyways. We have that, and then now we need to wait. So objects stored in an array are assessed using square brackets. For instance, the first item in the player list array can be assessed with player list 1. If you want to write player list current player for the loop, you just move loop player. So basically we just count downwards, I guess. So local player list. Oh no, it's just local player. Local player equals to player list. Player list. Player list current player. So this actually a thing. Current player is actually a thing. Oh wow. Local points equals to player dot leader stats dot points. Alright. That sounds reasonable. So player list local points equals to player dot leader stats dot points. So leader stats is up here dot points. So so this is just locating that. Alright. There's 2 local points. That's interesting. And then yeah, here we go. Points dot value. Just basically it's time to change the points equals to points of value dot 1 plus 1 dot value plus 1. So that's how you gain points. Alright, let's go and check this out. I'm pretty sure it doesn't work because I have done a lot of changes to the code. But if it does work, then that'll be nice. Okay, so there it doesn't work at all because the points doesn't even show. But alright, let's go try this again here. So local function player connect while true local p. Wait, so do we call that later? While true, wait 1 second. So we get all the players. Okay, so there's something wrong in this place, but I don't think there's anything wrong at all, except for the hashtag. I don't understand why there's a hashtag there. But wait, let's go and get the code real quick down here. Let's see what we did wrong. So while true, do wait one local player list. Oh, I think player list is actually like a thing, so I can't really change it. Dang. Player list equals to player get players. Current player equals to 1. I got comma there, and then hashtag player list. Do what the heck? Why doesn't this one have like the blue thing? That's interesting. Why does this one have? Oh, because the L is not caps. Oh wait, so this are the same. Oh, that's why it didn't work. Oh crap. That's kind of annoying then. Then I guess how about up here like the local function PD? I think it doesn't really affect because the local function is just a name. So yeah, I think PD is okay since it's just a name. So shouldn't really make too much of a difference in the point value and. So yeah, I think this should work now. But game choices players. I think this should work, but if the points didn't show, then I don't think it will work anyways. Cause yeah, the points doesn't show to begin with. So the local players equals the game, and then we got gift service. Let's go back to top. Alright, it's time to copy back the code and see what's wrong over here. Alright, so I get this. Yeah, let's get this afterwards here. Yeah, right here. Alright, so the local players equals the game call and get services players. Local function on player added. Yeah, that works. Added player local leader stats equals to instance.new. Oh wait, what the heck? For leader stats name parents equals to player local points. This is the new init value. Yeah, basically the same thing. I just copy and pasted what they did exactly. So yeah, it's minor spelling mistake, bro. That really did a lot of damage. Small spelling mistake. That's kind of stupid. Oh, there we go. The points start adding up, but it doesn't reset. Which is kind of funny. But yeah, it's not funny at all because we didn't even make a reset. So, anyways, now I can gain points within the game, and then for every second you get 1 point. Or I can just go and break the game if I really want to, and I could just be dumb and do this and wait 0.01 and let's see how much inflation the points will have. Yo, 50 mil, 70 mil, dang, I'm so rich, bro. Like this points ever actually make any value out here. So, alright, so let's try and what's this? This is gonna be 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000,000. Okay, let's do this actually. So let's give this thing a try. Hopefully the game doesn't just break. Hopefully it doesn't. Alright, so we get billions. 1,000 billion. Oh, so it doesn't go to trillions. It just goes to billion. Interesting. So it stays billion, and then all right. Sure, if it stays billion, let's just leave it there. Let's see. Yeah, just do +1. I think that should work the most. Alright, so now we're going to see how to reset the points once they die, because that's the point of the game. So what we want to do is we want to add another one of these on character added, local function on character added, and alright. So let's see. You need to get the character model for the player in order to detect when they have died. This model is only added to the game after the player object has been loaded, and you can use the character add event. So we add this below here. That's what we're supposed to do. So local function on character added. I think that this is just a function name, but I mean I'll just keep it there. Since I just pasted it, so yeah, there's no point of changing it. And we got the parameter character player. I'm not sure. I still don't know what the parameters are meant to be, but I guess it's just the character of the player. So character is something, player is just the player. Alright, so let's find out what they do next. Alright, so although you include the player in the on character added functions parameters, the actual character added event only returns the character, not the associated player. What is a character? What is like? What does the character have to do with the damn player? Oh, I don't understand this crap. Function, so player.character added connect function character. So we connect the function, but there's no function. What the heck is this? Wait, we add a new thing. Well, interesting. We add this thing. Below here. Wait, is it on the leader stats? Yeah, below leader stats, we add this. There's a function inside a brackets. What the heck? Oh yeah, and of course we also need to add the end, because that's a function, right? So yeah, on character added. Oh, because the on character is below. Wait, what? We have to add on character. Oh, right underneath the on server side, so that the function is defined. I think. Yeah, now that works. Why is this end not working? Function. Yeah, but why is the function in there? Dang. The, these tutorials be talking about nothing at all. Alright, so handling player death. When a player dies, the humanoid automatically fires a died event. Okay. You can use this event to find out when to reset their points. So okay, now it's time to add stuff into the empty function over here. Let's see. So local humanoid. There we go. Local humanoid equals to character. Uh, wait, wait for child. So now there was find for child. Now there's wait for child, and oh yeah, we want to find a humanoid. Oh come on, bro. Wait for child humanoid. Connect a new anonymous function to the humanoid's died event. In the anonymous function, create a variable called points for the player's points object. So local points. Oh, we need to make another function inside the damn function. Bro, what are these functions going, dude? Wait, no, it's just another humanoid dot died dot connect function. Okay, that's interesting. Just this, and this goes down here. Wait, what are we meant to do again? Wait, here, local. Also, we're adding the points, but there's like legit 3 local points. What the heck? So yeah, they're just a. So we call a variable just by local variable name. Okay, equals to player dot leader stats. Of course, leader stats dot points. So local points again. It's just basically stating that it's the player's leader stats and points. So alright, I guess it works. And let's go down here. And then we add the point value. So points points dot value equals to 0. So once they die, the humanoid character, we wait for child's humanoid, and then when the humanoid died, oh come on, when humanoid died, we're gonna connect the function. I don't even know what function. So once it died, it just goes here, and then just goes to local points per leader. So this that points value equals 0. Just reset the points, and I think it just goes down here again to the local function PD player. So we're not done yet. We still gotta check the player. Even when dead, players keep earning points, which is hardly the spirit in the game. The code you check when players are alive before. Oh, come on, bro. This is just getting harder, and I don't understand a single bit. Player set attribute bracket is alive, comma false. Wow. So player add character function here. So we add this below here. So player set attribute is alive. Is alive is an attribute? Bro, how many of these are actually here? False. And once a player model respawns, the value of the is alive needs to be changed to true, so that the player can start earning points again. So player attribute local function on character added. So On character added character player dot set attribute. Oh wait, no, it's player colon. Then we come on. Why does it always spell like 3? That's annoying. 3 is alive. So we change this to true here. So is alive true. Alright, there we go. So is alive true here, and then down here we change that to false. So also once it dies, it becomes false, and then once the player respawns, there. So instance done. Wait, how do they check if the players like finish respawning? Because they could have bad Wi-Fi or some sort. But alright, let's go and check this code. I think it's just right here. Yeah, right here. And just do false. So is live. So basically, just died, so they can't do anything. So, but so what if it's false? If it's false, it still goes in here and adds points. But what the heck? So finally, oh yeah, here we go. So is live should be checked before any point is awarded in the loop, and then end the script. So if player get attribute is live. Okay, so now we add an if, so then the players could actually gain the points when they're not like when they're not dead. So local if okay, we just add another if then. So if player get attribute, so we just get attribute. I guess that just says something. Get children. Dang. So get attribute is alive. Is alive. Then local points score. Okay, interesting. So yeah, let's do the indent here, and we should be good to go. Value end here, and so wow. So if it's alive, so we set this to false. Connect character on character added character player. So when the character add connect function character on character added, where's this? To the top. So player is live. So it sets the character to be alive, and then kills the character. So wait for a child humanoid. Wait, so just set it to alive, and then when the character dies, wait, what happens? So when is this function even called? Yeah, it's called down here. Connect function player. So, but how do they check? So, once the character is dead, it checks this thing. It calls the function. It goes up here, and then the function sets the character to true, and then local human wait for child, and then just died connect function. Connect local points, and then just resets the points, and then set the alive to false, and it just goes down here again, and it sets to false. Wait, what the heck? While true, wait for here, let's do. Oh, and then but it just stays dead. What the hell, bro? It just stays dead. Dang, I don't understand a single bit of this damn code. But anyways, let's check if it works. If it doesn't, then I just gotta go back and change. Oh yeah, apparently the points don't even show up now. Alright, I messed up real bad to the point. The points don't even show up. It's kind of annoying. As local function character. Oh wait, actually, I'll just look at their code. Actually, their final code interesting. I'll maybe just copy and paste it so that I can actually see what I did wrong. So where can I place this thing? I have no idea. How about a notepad? Yeah, let's place that inside a notepad, and I can see what I did wrong. Alright, so local function on player add. Oh, wait, so local players game get services. Yeah, there we go. Local function on character added character player set attribute is alive and then true, and then local humanoid character wait for child humanoid a humanoid dot died, and then we connect the function. Just call the function, and then the local points should equal to the player dot leader stats dot points. And then that value should become 0, and then the player set attribute is alive to false, so the player is now dead. And then we got local player on local function on player added player local leader stats equals instance dot new. Yeah, I think we did this one. That's 100% correct. Leader stats player set attribute is alive equals to false. Okay, we set attributes to false, so the character is dead again. I guess. Player character added connect function character on character added. Oh, this. Why is this thing? Hey, but uh, this shouldn't. Syntax are expected to close at line 26. Oh, do you mean I need to indent this? What do you mean? I genuinely do not understand. Do I indent that here? No, it doesn't work. It's still like that. So player. Oh, this is where the pain really comes in. Local function. Uh, what is the problem, bro? It's a damn problem. It's not indentation, which is basically everything. Player set attribute later steps. I'm not sure what is wrong here. Don't even think there's anything wrong actually. Oh wait, is it? Well, no, it's not, cause I changed it to PD as well. Bro, this is so sussy. Alright, let's check the end. So while true, do wait one local player list. Ikes to players. Get players bracket. Yeah, there we go. Oh, for I equals to 1. Wait, what the heck? For I, since when was it for I equals to 1? Dude, what the heck? They changed it for I equals to 1. Oh, okay, sure then. That's what like the traditional for loops. Local player equals to player list I. So yes, okay. So this is not even a thing. This is I, bro. Of course. So if player get attribute is alive, then local points equals player leader stats dot points equals to value plus. Alright, so now it should work. Even though I found no bugs, like no big bugs, I guess. Oh, apparently the points still don't show up. Okay, that's not interesting. But the code literally, I have nothing that's not what the code has. Oh, come on, bro. On character, added character. Okay, I have to go check this thing again. So much for a local humanoid. This character, wait for a child humanoid. Humanoid died. Oh, hold on. Bro, it's so easy to, like, overlook these stupid mistakes, bro. Local points equals a player, the only stat stop points. Points value equals to 0. Players, stat attribute is alive. False. Okay, end. Local function P local leader stats. Instance dot new leader stats player parent. What the heck? Is that it? I don't see any other but this. Why is there still that dumb red line at the end? Look, what the heck? I literally have the same thing. Leader stats name, points name. There's nothing I wrote wrong here, bro. Character player function character. What the heck? On character added leader stats is alive false. Right. I don't know why this thing is still here. Do I change this to on player? I don't even know now. This is so weird. Will it work now? Probably wouldn't, but yeah, it still didn't work. Alright, so name points value 0. What the heck? Why is it still underlined there, dude? There's no. I didn't do anything wrong though. I literally just copied your damn code. Or is it supposed to be like that? Cause alright, I'm not gonna waste my time on this crap. Let's go and get rid of this code. Legit. I'm gonna just copy and paste your code in. Well, the red line disappeared. God damn it! What the dude? What do you mean, man? What is the difference? Legit, tell me. Where's the damn difference, bro? Leader stats. This is dot new folder. Okay. It's the name leader stats. Leader stats dot parent equals player. I'll go points instance dot new int value points. Yeah, points on name, points of value equals 0, points of parent leader stats. Player set attribute is alive to false. Player character added colon character function character. Right. Do I just do this? Bro, it's still here. I have the same format and it's still wrong. Oh wait. Why did this one disappear? Oh, that. Bruh. Alright, now now it has to work, bro. Come on, man. It's literally identical. Oh, there we go, finally. Alright, we got the points working. Except I didn't really get it working. I just copy and pasted the damn code. So yeah, basically learned nothing, other than why I should not do coding here. But anyways, yeah, this game does kind of work. It's not fun, but it works. So yeah, alright, whatever. Yeah, and it's gonna be more fun when I add up the smokes. So that's just basically this point adding system, man. That took forever, bro. That took goddamn it forever. All right, now we're into intermediate coding, which I'm not ready for. I'll give it a try. I hope it's not too hard, but apparently I can't understand a single crap of beginner, so I guess. So intermediate coding, creating a health pickup. Throughout the basic coding courses, you have scripted individual parts to create playable scenes. With a previous method, if you would duplicate the parts, you would also have to duplicate the script. Yeah, I found that out. Let's see. So in the code, there will put no health pickups, only single copy script, which determines the health of pickup behavior. Freeze slightly and we save for. Also, it will restore the player's health. But what's the point? Do I need it here? Because you just die straight up, or do I somehow But what's the point of a health pickup though? What the heck? What's the point of that? Do I add a health pickup down here, and then your health would just become 100, but then you just die and come back? What's the point? I don't know, man. But it's part of the tutorial, so why not? Let's go and do one of those. Alright, so health pickups, you need 2 rectangular parts with a green point, shade. There's certain folder called workspace called health pickups, which is where you script love grin. Then you should there's short and short folder. So alright, it seems to be a folder with the health pickup. Apparently I don't have that, which is kind of dumb. Wait. First off, you need a part model to use to pick up the showdown town example world, which includes plenty of health pickups all over the map. You can open it in the studio by clicking edit as shown. Alright, I don't think we need the damn ass folder, bro. I don't think we need that. To begin with, the script needs to be stored per should be familiar from the Deadly Lava course. Alright, but we still need to make a part in which the health pickup actually works. So you know what? Yeah, let's add a dumb part into this game over here. Let's go add a block. Alright. Get up here. Big block. Get over here. And add this thing up here. Wow. What the heck's going on? Alright, so the blocks here, pretty decent block. Let's move that towards here so we get a useless health pickup. Alright, so that's one rectangle cuboid thing. Let's copy paste that, and now we rotate that like that, and then move that downwards. This now looks somewhat like a whatever it is. And let's make it a union. So like unify like group together. And I got a model, and I'm gonna rename that to health pick up. Alright, we got that going. So in scripture as pickup manager. What the hell is a pickup manager? Wait, let's also make sure that this thing looks like a health pickup. So apparently they got a point light as well. What is a point light, bro? Do I put that in the model or anything? I'm not even sure what's going on. I think we just add like a light. Do we add a force? Do we add an accessory to this thing? I don't think we can. Rope constant, rigid constant. Let's just make well, we can't make smoke. Wait, we could. We'd also use sparkles. What does that do? It does legit nothing. Is it? How to pick up sparkles enable. What the heck? It does nothing. Time scale 0.4. Right, that's useless. I'll get rid of that. We don't need that. Let's make it more obvious here. Maybe downwards. Hold up. A beam. What does a beam do? Dude, texture, light emission. No. Yeah, do maximum, bro. We'll do maximum texture length. Oh, but we don't have a texture. Oh, that's sad. That's real sad, bro. Let's see. Where's the light? Light? Oh, spotlight or point light. How does point light even work though? Uh, color. Let's turn that to like blue. It looks somewhat like nothing. Oh, come on, don't go away. All right. So let's go back to the point light. Oh, brightness. Hell no. Maximum. Nothing changes, bro. What do you mean? Right. Oh, wait, what? It's up there now? Oh, wait, no. It was always like that. Wait, what? Is it? Yeah, that was always blue, bro. Alright. So, apparently, I don't understand this at all. What is point light supposed to do? I don't understand that. Data archival. Point light brightness is 100. Apparently, that does nothing. Enabled, disabled does nothing as well. Range. God damn it. 60. But where's the damn light? There's no light, dumbass. Point light how pick up. Yeah, this thing do be trolling. Let's go back and see how they actually do this. Point light health pickup point. Dang, I literally just do the same thing. Do I put this under here? Oh, dang. Okay. So that's a model. That's not a part. So we can't see anything from that. uh, this looks unholy. Um, yeah. Let's go and change this to any other color. It doesn't matter. It's gonna be that same color. See this? Okay, so it doesn't work if it's black though. But I think some different color will all work. Let's see. Yeah. Let's keep it white. This looks kind of sick. And let's copy and paste this. Oh, wait, no. Let's actually try something else. Let's try like a what's that thing on the surface light? A point light, spotlight. Right. Let's get rid of this thing real quick. It's kind of annoying. Let's get that brightness to 0. Let's get the spotlight up here. Oh, dang. Also, it looks this way. How do I make it turn around? Rotate this thing? Do I rotate it? This. Alright, let's see how that works. Brightness. Oh, yo, this is important for a horror game. Dang, this really look like a horror game actually. Let's go and move this thing backwards a little, like that sort. And you see this, and player will come and touch this, and they'll die. Oh yeah, player will come and touch this, and then they die. How do I make that happen? Do I just like Oh, I just copy and paste kill player then. Let's put it in this place. Health pickup right here. Kill player. Yes, sir. Player's gonna die once they touch health pickup. Local function dot script dot parent kill player other part. Yeah, I think this is just script dot parent. So yeah, if you touch this, you're gonna die. Hopefully this works. Let's see. Yeah, let's find out if it works or not. Oh come on! Why does it always die when I just join it? That's annoying. Oh, I forgot to anchor that. Okay, whatever. That's just sad. All right, let's go and anchor this real quick. Let's go and anchor that. Yes, sir. Get that done. And I think I'm gonna change the script a little because it somehow just always goes away. Uh, okay, this one. So for count transparency true. Yeah, let's go and wait 10. Wait like 5 to be honest. Like before all the codes begin. Just wait 5. Like just wait 5 seconds. Should be good enough so we won't fall down. Yeah, let's get that done. And oh, bro, I forgot that thing also goes away as well. Try this again. Jump. I don't die. What? Oh, that's sad. Alright, where'd I put it? Oh, no, it's a model. Dang, I have to put this thing on a part. Oh, so this is just like it combines. So, like the codes don't work if you put it there. So alright, so that's something new. So we gotta put it somewhere else that's not there. So now I should die. Hey, there we go. No more points for me because I'm a noob of the game. All right. I guess that's about it. Let's go back to the points. Hopefully the points do work. Yeah, the points still actually work. I'm gonna add some bigger numbers because why not? You know, breaks the game and ruins the fun. So where's the points at again? Okay, set up points. Let's go over here. So points. So people will begin with 0, and then we're gonna add like value plus that much, and then oh actually plus 1, and then points. Oh, what if I don't reset their points? What if I don't do that? What if I do points equal to points times 10? Would that work? So whenever the player dies, they just gain more points. Oh, that didn't work out too well. Okay, that didn't work. So points value is to. Oh no, it's points dot value. Ah, forgot. Dang. So it's this. Now it should work. Now it should definitely work, bro. It should. It just has to work. Come on, man. It just has to work. So it's die. Oh hell yeah, let's go. You earn more points by dying. That yep. Never heard of that type of game, but you know, this is the type of game where stuff becomes retarded. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for today. Oh wait up, we gotta remember to add back the smoke because you know this be called horror game, and without smoke there ain't no horror game. So yeah, we need this to become horror game once again. 100, 100, and yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be going over the health pickup thing, and I probably won't even make it work to be honest. I just cannot do any of these. I'll probably go and look up tutorials how it actually works, but if I can't do it, then I probably just won't do it then. So yeah, the smoke be coming up here real quick, and yeah, that's pretty nice. And then you know you find this light over here and touch it, and you die. You just gain 1.6 million just by dying. Dang, dude, that's lit. All right. I think I need to make the point line a little, like the point spotlight. Kind of make it like longer. Oh yeah, range, like 45, 27, 57. Yeah, why not? 57 seems reasonable, right? So it actually attracts the player to get over there. But doesn't look bright anymore. That's the problem. It doesn't look bright anymore, bro. Oh wait, what did I change? I changed spotlight. How about point light? Point is everywhere. So let's add the brightness up to like maybe let's see 10. So it's like you're walking on some bright stuff and there's smoke all over you. Interesting horror game. And touch that and die. Yeah, but the smoke just somehow just like the fact that it's so slow in forming really annoys me. Uh, opacity, size, rise, velocity. Oh, max? Oh, that's a max. Rise velocity has to be so the top is 25. Oh, that's real sad, bro. That's real sad. Enable color smooth time scale. I'm still not sure what time scale even does, but whatever. Yeah, I guess that's gonna be it. I still haven't figured out how to get rid of the scrolling. Some of the smoke just disappeared. What the? Oh, okay. All right, so let's make the workspace. I mean the terrain, or is it? Oh, I forgot. What is that? Oh yeah, that's the lava. Let's scale this thing to like real small, so then it doesn't really lag the game too much. Like this. It's not the world is super small. It's just that big, really lit. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'm just gonna publish this to Roblox because yeah, publish to Roblox. There we go. That worked out pretty well. Save to Roblox as well. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. See you guys tomorrow if I can actually figure out what the health means. So yeah, see ya.